guys, and welcome.
Hello, I'm back again.
It's back again. Welcome to.
Aren't you excited?
I'm so excited to have you here. You do actually. It makes it so much fun filming with you.
Not sure it does. Because you don't see the arguments
You're
that go
kind
behind
of
the
embarrassing. You're kind of embarrassing at times. Anyway, welcome back to another gift guide. It's the kids' gift guide this time. So we have chosen.
I am the child in this relationship.
We've chosen 10
Not
gifts
River, me.
that we think are the best gifts for kids this year. It's actually a little bit more focused to younger kids. So I would say like less so teenagers, although there's a couple of things that might be suitable for teenagers too, but I think
sure there is on my side.
In general, not on your side. You know, the robot thing. Oh wait.
Oh, ruining the gift guide.
I'd say this is like up to age 10 probably. So without further ado, my first pick are these books. This video is actually sponsored by this brand, which is very exciting for me because this is a brand, it's called Wonderbly, that River was given one of these when it was her first birthday present actually from her godmother, and I just think it's really, it's such a cool company. I was absolutely like made up when they got in touch about working together. So they're called Wonderbly. Essentially it allows you to customize books to include your child's name. You can also change the character so that they look like your little one, and they do lots of different stories for different age groups. So I've got a selection to show you. This one is obviously for River. I love River this much, and their stories are really sweet as well. Bedtime for Maggie, which is Mike's sister's little girl. Actually looks a bit like Maggie, doesn't it?
It does.
Super cute. And
Don't
then
know what she's getting for Christmas.
So they vary in price as well. So you can get them in softback or hardback, and it obviously affects the price. There's also a discount code that I've got. They make such a nice gift. I feel like it's a really nice way to encourage kids to read as well, because it's actually got them in the book, which is super cool. It's just really cool. It's like an actual book. It's not just like their name on the front. The whole book, like, the story revolves around them. And you can also get them gift wrapped as well. So this is an example of the gift wrapping, which is kind of like a box. So it's super convenient if you don't want to gift wrap. And then this last one is for a little bit older kids. So this is Where Are You, Willow? Which is my niece. And it's basically like, where's Wally? So you look through and it's like, this is Chef Willow. And this is like what all the things you could be when you're older. And you can flick through and find it. They have lots of different options based on how old the child is that you're buying for, and it's really good for their imagination as well, because I feel like it puts them in the book, which makes reading more exciting for them. They also have surprisingly good delivery, like considering that the whole thing is printed and customized, they came really quickly. And the other thing that I really like is that you can make a dedication in the front, which I think is really nice. So these are Christmas presents for our little ones. And we're also going to be giving away a voucher for Wonderbly in the kids giveaway, which is coming up soon on my Instagram. What have you got to talk about?
Well, I wonder what I've got to talk about. No one gave it away a minute or two ago whatsoever.
Sorry.
Sorry. So, my instant starter is this little robot, which is called Boxer. He's enormously playful, tiny bot. Now, what this robot does is you can teach him tricks, which is super cool. So basically, it's a really cool little learning toy. So it's quite a funky little fun toy.
Like
it's basically for 3 and older.
Does it say for 3 and older?
It does indeed.
It really surprised.
Not a 3, no.
And yeah, that's choking.
Oh,
that's
is it really?
Interesting, because it seems like an older toy,
I mean,
but I don't
quite
think it's
large
for
to
age
choke,
3. I think that's too little. I would say this is more like 6 or 7 plus.
Not for
Lulu's
children
got
under
one.
3
Yeah,
years.
not for children under 3, because it's choking, but it says 6 plus there, which means
did see that.
that my guess was right.
Fleur was right, as ever.
Did I say 7?
But yeah, basically super cool little robot that you can play with, which is really good fun.
Yeah, cute. I like that you can teach it tricks as well. My next one is a super flouncy tutu. Look at this, it's amazing. This is actually what I bought for my little niece Willow, as well as that book. It's from a brand called Bob and Blossom. They are quite pricey, but because of the fit, they fit for a long time. So this is age 4 to 8, and if you have a little girl who is into ballet or even just dressing up as super girly as possible, they are just so well made. The fabric is gorgeous. They have the big ribbon at the front. Willow's gonna love this, isn't she?
She is ballet obsessed.
She is so girly. But yeah, it's just enormous. I don't know if you can actually like, it's massive. So cute, I love that.
Fair enough. Well, my next one.
You can't, can I just turn him down.
Oh.
You can't claim credit for this because this is Rivers and I bought it for her. But just saying, it's cool.
I don't know what you mean. I was playing a beautiful tune and you stopped me halfway through by magically turning me down. This is super cool. So this is a flexible piano.
It's called a roll-up piano.
Roll-up piano, technical term. But Rivs thinks this is awesome and it's super cool to teach her to play the piano. At a young age,
Not
hopefully a number,
teach her, but just get her into
you
music,
know,
I think.
little mini Bach or sort of
Mozart,
you know, get her on the
she loves this. It's
get
so
her on
fun.
the piano. But it's super fun, super cool, and I think something that actually, if you've got older kids that actually play the piano, quite a cool little fun present. I think. For Christmas.
Actually bought this
and it plays some funky tune
at MoMA in New York when I was there last Christmas.
Oh dear, sad times.
That's what I'm going to do next
2021 Christmas.
When coronavirus is done,
massive.
I'm going to just be travelling everywhere.
I'm going to do
to
traveling.
have River in my bag with me, but I miss
so
traveling.
excited for traveling.
So excited to go have that. It's not necessarily
Just
like
go on the
where
plane.
you go. No, it's not going on the plane. It's definitely not going on the plane. And it's not necessarily like where you go. It's just the like having a break and going on holiday.
Yeah, but we're doing a staycation.
We are. Anyway, my next suggestion has completely been ruined as a display because River caught wind of this and has claimed it as for her own. But essentially, I'm going to show you what it is. I'm going to open it up. It's Lego Dots, which is a new concept from Lego. It didn't look like this before I made it, no. But this is, it's basically, they're trying to aim Lego a little bit more at girls, I think, with this collection, because they do jewellery.
What's wrong with the Lego Lamborghini?
You can do jewellery, you can do different kind of like bits and bobs. It's basically about decorating as opposed to building, but you do also build. So I actually built the this is a jewellery box version. I built the jewellery box, but then River has actually really loved the decoration element. She's had such a nice time doing it. I mean, she's definitely too little for this. She needs heavy supervision whilst we're playing with it, but she absolutely loves it. And I'm excited to get her into Lego as well, because you love Lego, and I feel like it's something that if she likes...
Whoa.
What?
She can't start playing with my Lego.
Yeah, but you can play with her Lego with her.
Yeah, but she can't play with mine.
No,
She keeps trying to start. She's got my old
but
Lego
it's
car
super
she wants to
cute.
play
I
with.
feel like this is a nice, like, yeah, Lego.
It's super cool. I think it's a great idea to your very first
I had fun
Lego.
building it, just saying.
I bet you did.
I think this was about £17 or something like that, this
right.
set.
If only we could magically have a clapper and turn down the lights for my next bit. But
Oh,
unfortunately, we're not that cool.
I can go and turn the lights off though.
Maybe we could magically do a
I know,
clapper.
because the ring light will take ages. I'll show them in the close-up.
But...
Oh, and you can see him!
Glow in the dark with a little night light. Dinosaur, almost if you go anywhere as well.
It's a little
maybe there's a dinosaur to just come with you.
So cute. My next suggestion... My next suggestion is a pyjama set. This is actually River's. What are you doing? Like... this is actually River's pyjama set, and this is from Next. I think they're super cute, and actually I might order these in my size, because Next kids are basically at age kind of 15 is like a size 10, and they go up to 16. These are her Stay Wild Moonchild PJs. The top of one looks like that.
It's super cute.
So cool. You hold
it's
that.
Very
and then the bottoms look like this, little leggings. She could totally wear these as clothes as well. Like,
the top definitely.
And the bottoms. Probably not together, then they look like pyjamas. You could wear them as clothes. And then the other one, this t-shirt, you could totally wear a knot as well. It's like constellations and zodiac signs. And then that's got the same trousers. Super cute. I think they're sweet. I love them.
She likes them a lot as well.
Yeah, she does love them.
Well, my last gift... Oh, it's pretty cool. So I think... Whoa, no.
Okay.
My gift.
I'll unpack it this.
No, I'll unpack it.
It matches my jumper.
So every little child needs toys
Little
to
child.
play with. And River loves playing the drums. So you
I'll
can
unpack
hold the
the
drums.
Oh
And
God,
what she
River
also likes
freak out
playing is the guitar.
They're so cute. These are from
And it also
Kidley.
comes with a plectrum.
Hey, that's cool.
Super cool.
These are
this.
from Kidley, and the
Now-
thing that I like about them is that they're black and white. Because
Super
I think
cool.
they look really nice, like they look
Starring.
nice in it, and they've got stars on, obviously. Can you tell who picked these? This has a strap, so you can put it around your neck.
I've got a feeling yours is a better tune than mine.
What's the last gift gonna be? Is that a good drum roll?
No.
No. No.
I'll do
We're
your
gonna
drum roll.
stop.
I'll do
We're
your
gonna
drum roll.
stop.
I can do your drum roll.
Mike can actually play the drums. I love how much this matches my jumper. Dun 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 dun. This is what I want for Christmas. This is the Hogwarts Castle 3D puzzle. I feel like, do you remember the 3D puzzles from ads when we were kids being like, build a New York skyscraper?
Globe.
Yeah, all the globes, they were cool.
Globes are cool.
This is Hogwarts version of that.
Rad.
It's actually pretty
Just,
pricey.
how
It's
does it
45 quid, but I just want it.
How does it
Look, it's
work?
actually quite big pieces and you like slot them together. It's a model. Super cool. I think
How is
this
it?
is a really
How
cool
is it?
present.
How is it in 3D
Basically,
but yet
suitable,
in here?
Suitable, because you look, it comes like that. You pop it out.
I know, but even so, it's amazing.
It's amazing. It's actually quite a small box, to be fair. And get out of the way. Basically, this is for any age. I'm not trying to see what age it says it is. Oh, read more. No, page 13. 8+. I would want this. So yeah.
Guess we've found what Fleur wants for Christmas.
Perfect. That is it for our kids' gift guide.
That is it for my gift guides. I'm like done.
Mike, they're in the wrong order.
Oh,
no, this is the last one.
This is the last one. Okay. Dot Mike.
We haven't been filming them in the order they're going on. All the other gift guides that I've uploaded this year
check it out.
already will be listed below. And if you want to win these toys, pretty much all of them except River's piano and the stuff that she's opened, head over to my Instagram because I'm going to be giving them away. And that's it. See you soon.
See you soon. Stay safe. Goodbye.
Bye.